Over my past 8 to 9 years of running Facebook ads, I've dealt with many different types of businesses and helped them scale to new heights. But if I were to just choose one particular style of business that has been the easiest to get results for, it's by far, hands down, local-based businesses. If you're a local-based business owner, you have to understand that in a 25-mile radius of your particular shop, there are thousands of people that would truly love your brand, your product, your service, if they simply knew that you existed. And that's why we get so many great results. If you look in your 25-mile radius, you'll see that there's a lot of other brands out there that are really good too, but that don't have the knowledge of running Facebook ads. So in this video, I am literally going to pull down the curtain and show you exactly how to get better results for your local-based brands through Facebook ads. Now, if you are a local-based business, there's a few different elements that you're gonna need to make this thing work effectively. Number one, you need the ad strategy, and that's what I'm gonna go over in this video. I'm gonna go over step-by-step how to actually launch this ad effectively. Number two, you need a great offer. Your offer needs to be mouth-watering. It needs to be something that people drool over. And if you can create that mouth-watering offer, you are going to get more people into your shop on a consistent basis. You are also going to need to create a creative, a visual that actually supports your offer and gets the point across in an effective way. And number four, you're gonna need some sort of a software or CRM landing page that you can actually use to start collecting names, phone numbers, and emails. Because the whole goal here is to not only get more people into your shop, but also to collect more names, phone numbers, and emails. Do all of these things and you are on your way to having a successful local business. Now, if you're a local-based business that truly does need help and need a little bit of guidance, there's a few links below for you to apply to work with us. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and just get into the training right now. All right, so in this example for your local-based business, we're gonna use the example of a local juice bar looking to get more people in the building to buy their juices. The way we're gonna do this is we are going to run a particular promotion to generate more leads for the business. Now, more leads is gonna equal more people coming into the establishment to shop with you. This works. We have students right now that are crushing it using this strategy, so check this out. Okay, so right now we're inside of Facebook Ads Manager. First thing you're gonna do is you're just gonna hit this green create button, and you're gonna ask Facebook to run the particular ad that you wanna run. In this case, we are going to optimize for leads. Then we're gonna go ahead and hit continue, and we're going to do manual leads campaign and hit continue. Now, after we do that, we are at the campaign level of the ad right now. So the first thing that we're gonna do here is we are going to name this, and we'll call this Juice Bar Local Lead Gen. We'll just call it that. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and scroll down, and the next thing we're gonna do is just set the budget here using Advantage Budget. If you're a juice bar and you're generating some good income, you just wanna amplify it with some Facebook ads, I would honestly recommend doing between $20 and $50 a day. Let's just do 20 here in this example, all right? And then we're gonna go ahead and hit next. And when we hit next, it's going to bring us to the ad set level. The ad set level of your ad, that's that middle level right here. This level of the ad is designed to tell Facebook who it is that you're trying to target. So in this example, we're going to do broad targeting, meaning we don't have a specific set of targeting that we're going to use. We're going to let Facebook do the heavy lifting here. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and scroll down, and the type of lead generation ad we're gonna run is through the website. So we're gonna choose website here. We're gonna continue to scroll down. Then all you have to do here is select your Facebook pixel that is going to be connected to the page that you're running ads to. If you wanna learn more about the pixel, we do have videos on, how to install the Facebook pixel and all of those type of things. But you wanna make sure that this pixel is connected to your website. Okay, now your conversion event for this is just going to be a lead. So you're going to select lead here. Then we're going to continue to scroll down. Now the next section is the budget and schedule. Since we already did the budget, now we're just going to schedule this thing. So let's just say we want it to run tomorrow. What I like to do when we run our ads, we always run our ads in the morning, as early as possible. We'll use 5 a.m. here. And the reason why is because we want to give Facebook a full day's worth of being able to spread out that budget evenly throughout the day. Let's continue to scroll down. Now, the next section we're focused on is the audience. Now, we're going to use what's called Advantage Plus Audience. And what we're gonna do here is we're just gonna select Advantage Plus Audience, and we're gonna use audience suggestions here, okay? So now, this allows us to still utilize Advantage Plus Audience audience because Facebook's machine learning is really good, but then we can still add some detailed targeting. So if I'm a juice bar here, then I'll probably want to target people who are interested in health and wellness. So let me just type in wellness and see what pops up here. We got wellness coach, wellness director, health and wellness. That's a really good one you want to select. Look at the size of this audience. It's a lot, right? So that's good. So health and wellness. Now, that's pretty broad. Let's find another one. Maybe people who are interested in physical fitness. We could do that. People who are interested in physical exercise. People who might be interested in, let's say, veganism, or let's type in juicing. See if there's anything for juicing. There's not. Okay. So we have these particular interests. So here's the cool thing about Advantage Plus. Although we've chosen these interests here, what Facebook's going to do is they're going to first look for people that are interested in these things. But if it feels like it can get you better results, it's going to start going outside of these interests to find the right people to shop with your brand. So that's also cool. Now, you also want to select the age range of your audience. People interested in health and wellness, let's just say it's 25 and up. All right. So now that's that. Now, another key aspect to this thing is the location, because again, this is for local based businesses. So let's just assume that we're going to target, let's just say Miami, Florida. All right. Miami, Florida. So now if you have a juice bar in Miami, Florida, yes, there might be a lot of competition, but there's a lot of people not running ads locally. So this is a gold mine for you to tap into. All right. So 25-mile radius, if that's good for you, do that. If you want to get really specific, you can bring this down to as little as 10 miles. Okay. So for your local based businesses, just depends on how mouthwatering the offer is and how far you feel people will travel. That's something that you can do there. All right. Now, if it's an exclusive offer, exclusive to the city of Miami, then one thing you might want to consider doing is you might want to consider excluding other locations surrounding Miami. So for instance, for Lauderdale, you can exclude Fort Lauderdale, right? And let's just say you exclude Fort Lauderdale, like 10-mile radius around there, right? Let's just say you want to exclude some other areas, right? Because look at how big this radius is right now for Miami. If you want to make it just Miami exclusive, then you want to exclude certain areas around Miami. And I'm not familiar with all of the cities, the local cities around Miami, but basically we call this geofencing, where you're basically just fencing the area that you want to target to a specific location, and you want to kind of pinpoint that location. That's one thing you can do. We call it geofencing. So that's one thing that you can do. All right. Now let's keep scrolling down. All right. So we have our targeting done. The next section is the placements. So for the placements, we're going to use Advantage Plus placements. And basically what this means is our ad is going to run on Instagram. It's going to run on Facebook. It's going to run on Instagram Messenger, and it's going to run on Audience Network. These are all really good. And you want to give Facebook as much wiggle room as possible so that Facebook can go out there and do its thing. So that's what we're going to do there. All right, let's go ahead and hit next. All right, now last, what we're going to do is the ad level. So the ad level, this is where you're actually going to add your creative or your visual for this ad, as well as the ad copy that you want to use for this ad. So first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to find Rich from Anywhere. All right. I'll turn on the ad preview as well. That's something that you want to do. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and scroll down here, and we're going to do single image or video. All right, I'm going to scroll down, and then we're going to add the website URL. So this is where you would enter whatever your website is where you have your offer. This is where you're going to enter that. In my case, I do have a landing page that I've already created. I'm going to go ahead and grab that URL for that particular landing page right here. And then I'm just going to paste it right in here. So now we have the URL right there. Okay, so now next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and scroll down to the ad creative. So this is where we're going to set up the creative for our ad. So we're going to click here. And in this example, we're going to use an image ad. Right. So we have our URL here. That's fine. We want to get rid of the other site links here because we don't need them right now. Then we're gonna go ahead and skip and continue. Now for the primary text, I actually have a primary text that ChatGPT created for me. Now, so in this example, what we're doing is we're giving away free juice in order to get people to come in to redeem that free juice. Now, here's the thing. When people start coming into your shop to get this free item, more than likely, they're not just gonna take the free thing and leave. They're gonna be in there and they're gonna shop other things that ultimately are going to lead to you making more money in your business. We have students right now that are local based businesses inside of our inner circle who are crushing it with this strategy right now. All right. So we're going to go ahead and grab this ad copy and we're going to drop it right in here. All right. It says free juice alert for a limited time only. We're giving away free 12-ounce fresh juices to the first 100 customers who walk through our doors. You always want to add some sort of scarcity to your offer as well as urgency. These are two big things that are going to be even more monumental for you and your local based business. You want to get these people in the door as quickly as possible. So putting a number on the amount of people that can take part in this giveaway is a really good thing to do. All right. And then it breaks down what they're getting. Fresh cold pressed juice, no strings attached, just free juice, first come, first serve. And then we have some more urgency. Don't wait until they're gone. Grab yours today. And then we're telling them to tag a friend as well. So this is another way to get some virality going with the ad. All right. Now that we've done that, let's scroll down. Let's add the headline. So for the headline, we can say, get yours today. We could say offer ends soon. We could do that as well. And then we can add a siren emoji. That's one of my favorite emojis. All right. So that's the headline area. Okay. Let's go ahead and continue to scroll down. Now for the call to action button, what we're going to do here, we're going to do get offer for this, and then we'll do next. All right. Now we want to just go ahead and grab our picture. And I'm going to break this down too, by the way. All right, perfect. So we have our picture, and this picture here, this is really easy to do. You can come over here to Canva and you can create really cool, easy creatives. Now, here's the thing. This creative is not special at all, but it does get the point across. And we have different templates that we like to use based on different offers. So regardless of your offer, you can create some really cool creatives here. In this case, we just use this one. It has the urgency, it has the picture of the juice. It's all we really need for this. Okay. So now we have that particular creative. Now let's go ahead and continue. Now this is the part that's interesting because Facebook does allow you to use different images here. It can spice up the images. And this is one of the benefits of using AI. If you find any of these beneficial, you can definitely select them and use different image variations. We're not going to do that here. We're just going to skip, continue. And then Facebook also has enhancements. We're going to go ahead and turn these enhancements off. So we'll get rid of all of these, make sure those are gone, and then we'll hit done. All right. And now that we've done that, we're good to go. We have our creative, we have our offer. Everything is good. This looks good. You always want to double check this as well, just to make sure everything looks good. Once everything is good, you can go ahead and hit publish. Okay. And your ad is good to go. Now for the landing page, you do want some sort of a landing page, some sort of a CRM that can help you. So in this example, let me show you what they're going to do is they're going to hit enter to win. When they do that, they're going to get prompted to enter their name, phone number, and email. They're going to hit enter to win, and then they're going to get prompted to enter their name, phone number, and email. After they do, they're going to click send it to me, and they are going to get a text and an email with the voucher for them to come into your shop, get the free juice, but also buy other things. All right. Now, here's the deal, y'all. This strategy is going crazy right now for our students. I'm giving it away to you for free. Take action on this strategy. We literally have students right now that are getting 24 cents per lead, but people are coming into their local based businesses and they're shopping with them. And, you know, it's funny because some of our students, they come to me and they say, hey, yo, this strategy is really working. People are coming into the shop and saying, hey, I see you all over the place. I see your ads everywhere. And if you want to become one of those local staples in your community that people just know who you are everywhere you go, which is also good for business, this is the play you want to run. You have to start running ads for your local based businesses because your competition more than likely is not. And this is a good way to get a leg up on your competition and start to shine and have those record months after months after months.